In the early 1960s, as the world watched a tense Cold War unfold, a handful of scientists dreamed of something remarkable. They called it Project Orion, a mission so bold that it seemed pulled from the pages of science fiction, a spacecraft powered by nuclear explosions. While the Soviet Union and the United States competed in the space race, a group of American scientists dared to imagine a different future, one where humans could journey to Mars, Jupiter, or even beyond our solar system, faster than anyone thought possible. This was Project Orion, a spacecraft with a radical design. It was essentially a giant, reinforced plate with a shock absorber system, designed to harness the explosive energy of atomic bombs to propel it through space. Yes, you heard that right. They planned to launch a ship with nuclear bombs. Here's how it would work. A nuclear bomb would be released from the back of the spacecraft and detonated. The force of the explosion would push the craft forward, and then they'd do it again and again, in a sequence of hundreds of controlled nuclear detonations. This was a propulsion system on a scale that had never been imagined before. The team working on Project Orion included some of the brightest minds in science, including physicist Freeman Dyson. They believed that Orion could achieve speeds that would take humanity to Mars in just weeks, and to Saturn in less than a year. This was humanity's ticket to the stars, a dream of interplanetary travel that seemed for a moment within reach. The scientists envisioned Orion as a city in space capable of carrying dozens of crew members to explore alien worlds. But as Project Orion advanced, so did fears of nuclear warfare. The world was beginning to realize the dangers of atomic bombs, and the idea of launching them into space sparked concern. Questions were raised. Could we control the risks? And what if something went wrong? In 1963, the Limited Test Ban Treaty was signed, banning nuclear tests in the atmosphere, outer space, and underwater. This effectively ended any hope of Orion becoming reality. Project Orion was shelved, its daring plans left to gather dust. The vision of a nuclear-powered space fleet capable of reaching the stars was lost, but not forgotten. Today, Project Orion stands as a testament to the ambition and audacity of the early space age. It reminds us of a time when humanity dared to think beyond the limits of our technology and reach for the stars, no matter the cost. Was Project Orion just a fantasy or a glimpse into the future? Could humanity one day resurrect the dream of reaching the stars with a technology once deemed too dangerous? Subscribe to find out more fascinating discoveries throughout the time and history